Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to see who had liked your comment on YouTube. Let's get started. Let's open it. This is the home page of your YouTube account. Now you should have to tap on notification icon which is available on the top right corner of your screen. So tap on it. Now you will see the options of comments. So tap on it. Then you will see here who had liked your video. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Have a great day.